If your online business isn't growing, it's probably because you've skipped a couple of basic steps in online marketing. Good news is though, easy to fix. Watch to the very end. I'll be discussing with you 6 items in order for you to improve on it so you can increase those sales and make more profit. So before we dive in though, a little bit about myself. If you've just joined my channel, my name is Margie. I'm a digital marketer and I've started up some businesses before, some not so successful, some a whole bunch more successful, and it comes down to marketing. So my aim is to help other people increase their sales and create the dream that they're after. So please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and drop a comment below. What is your product, or what is your dream product that you really want to create and bring to the world? I'd love to hear about it, and I'll try and get to every reply that I possibly can. Alright, so let's dive straight in. First thing, your dream customer. I know I keep going on about this all the time, but it's really important. You need to know who you are selling it to. And a lot of people go, well, great, I know who I'm selling it to. I'm just selling it to mums. Okay, well, why? What are their frustrations, and how does your product or service solve that frustration? So you need to ask yourself, what is it that you're actually selling? Okay, so let's start with, a lot of people are selling a lot of soaps, and they go, well, great, I'm selling soaps. But what do soaps do? Well, in the morning you wash your hands, maybe your face with them, and it invigorates you and you're feeling beautiful and you're ready to start the day on a high note. So you're selling that. You're selling the transformation that your product gives to people. That's how you can stand out. So you really need to have a good brainstorm, sit down and go, well, what is it that your product is offering people? What is their transformation? What are you promising your customer that your product is going to be able to achieve? It's really important. Okay, so who are you selling it to, and your product? Okay, there's your first 2 points. The next one, point number 3, you need a lead magnet. Have you heard of that before? Maybe you've thought about it as a tripwire or something. So basically you need to think about, you got your customer, you've got your product. Okay, what is that something you can offer your customer just before your product? Something that might help them and maybe might enhance your product, for example. So when you're talking about that, a lead magnet is something that you can offer your customer in exchange for an email address or some sort of contact detail. Now keep remembering that in order to sell something, you need to be trustworthy, and somebody needs to see you. I think somebody said like 7 times or something like that. But basically somebody needs to look at you many times before they're going to go, you know what, I'm going to buy. It's unlikely somebody's going to buy from you on your first encounter. So you create that trust and everything. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. But what you need to do is create a lead magnet that solves your customers' problems just prior to your product. Okay, this gets a little bit tricky, and if you can nut this down, you can really excel in your marketing. So think about your customer, your dream customer avatar, or your perfect customer, whatever you want to call them, and think about, where are they on their journey? Are they just starting out looking for some brand new soaps? Or are they a soap connoisseur and they know all there is to know about soaps? Maybe they don't know how to store the soaps, or the best way for washing your hands perhaps. You know, that's all a bit of a hot topic at the moment. So perhaps you might be able to give them some information on how you can probably store your soaps. I'm just thinking of some random stuff here, but it's always a good idea to put your information into either a PDF or a online training video, something that's digital that they could download in exchange for an email address. So that is what a lead magnet is. Have a think about, what can you offer your customer just before your product. Alright, so step number 4, your email list. Alright guys, this is really important. You need to create an email list in order to collect your contact details that you've exchanged for your lead magnet, and then that way you've got ongoing I guess point of contacts for your contacts. Do you like that one? So you've done your lead magnet, you put your email address, and you put it into your email list and your software. In the comments below, in the description below, I'll list out what I really like using. I use Active Campaign. I'm not an affiliate, I think that they're the best ones. If you want some free ones, MailChimp's really good for free, but it can get a little bit pricey once you start collecting some contacts, so just keep that in mind. And you want to then create that list of your customers, of your dream customers, and then you can send them emails. It's not rocket science, but it's something that gets really overlooked. So even if you're selling your handmade soaps or handmade products and you've got an Etsy store, this is how you get ahead. This is the secret to marketing. Everyone makes it out to be easy. It's not, but if you break it down step by step, you can easily put it all together in your big marketing strategy and get some sales. Yes. Okay, so you created your email list. Next, email them. And this depends on your audience, your niche. What do they like? Do you like to bombard them with emails, every couple of hours? Probably not. Maybe once a week, maybe once a fortnight, maybe once a day. But test. This is a big thing with marketing. Test, see how many emails get opened, play around with your subject lines and what you want to tell them. But whatever you do, big point here, don't sell them stuff all the time. You want to talk nicely, create friendships with your customers. By the way, if you want to get onto my email list, comment below or grab my lead magnet, which you'll see in the description. I'll make sure I drop it there, and that is information on how to fill out your dream customer checklist. There you go, lead magnet, email list, and if you want to see some emails come along, then that'd be the best way to do it. But anyway, I'm diversing again. So talk to your customers, but don't sell them stuff. Okay, every now and then you can offer what your product is, or maybe you've got a sale or why it's so important that they might need to buy at this particular time. But give them educational stuff, some entertaining stuff. Tell them a bit about yourself. You're a person, so make sure you let your personality come through. By now you probably worked out that I like to go off on tangents and I don't speak good, but hey, the value in the information that I give you is always there. Alright, so now this is the last step here. You need to make sales. You might be thinking, yeah, duh, like that's pretty obvious. If I have a business, I need to make sales. So you need to direct all of your lead magnets, your email list, so use your social media and everything else. It all comes back to this email list. You then send some lovely emails, some educational, some entertaining type things about your products, and then you can sell them stuff. So sell them information, and sell them information about where they can go on their product. You can get them to share emails or anything like that, but send them to where it is that you are selling stuff. So whether that be Etsy, whether you have a Facebook marketplace type store, maybe you've got your own web page, so that's fantastic. Send them there. There you go, make sales. So it sounds so simple, but if you break it down step by step, so what is it? It is finding your dream customer, positioning your offer, creating a lead magnet that's something just prior to your product or service to be able to help your customer, create an email list, get them to sign up to your email list, talk nicely to them, and then direct them to your web page, your sales page, your Etsy shop, whatever the case may be. There you go. Marketing strategy. So where does your social media fit into that? Well, put your lead magnet, and everything should go back to creating, nurturing those emails or contact details and get them onto your email list. So there you go. That's how you have it. That's how you make extra sales. Comment below if you'd like me to expand on any one of those points, because I know I covered a lot of information very, very quickly, and I will do subsequent videos and explain little bits and pieces. Now, my plug here, I've got a course, it's called Traffic Magnets, and it goes through everything that we just talked about step by step. It's designed for you, small business owner. Maybe you haven't made a sale yet, maybe you've made a few, but you're there going, well, I'm fantastic on Instagram, I'm there all the time, but I don't get sales. Well, now you know why. You need the whole lot of your marketing system. It's a system, everyone. You need to get it all in place. Alright, so a couple of things from you guys. Please subscribe. I want to try and reach as many people as possible to help them out and get them to get more sales so they can live the life that they want to live, because I know if you're anything unlike me, you want your business to do well and make the sales so you can live on your terms. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.